Imagine reaching a point where your job is no longer your only source of income. It's your plan B. While millions of people are still stuck in a job that doesn't pay enough, everyday people are using surprisingly profitable machines to generate daily income, sometimes even higher than their own paycheck. Most people keep waiting for the perfect moment, but you're here because you know that relying on just one income in 2026 is a huge risk, and because you want freedom, stability, and control over your time. And these 11 machines can give you that, from small equipment that fits on your table to full machines that can turn into your main business. We're not talking about empty ideas or magic businesses. We're talking about real machines, affordable, easy to operate, and built to produce something people buy every single day. Number 1. Peanut butter making machine. Imagine selling a product people buy again and again without even thinking because it's already part of their daily diet. Peanut butter isn't just delicious, it's considered an energetic, affordable food with strong demand in cafes, gyms, health food stores, and even baking businesses. And the best part? Making it yourself is surprisingly simple and very, very profitable. All you need is roasted peanuts, an optional touch of oil, and this compact machine. You pour the peanuts into the hopper, adjust the level of creaminess, press start, and within seconds you get a thick, fresh, 100% natural spread. No preservatives, no chemicals, no complications. That lets you sell a premium product at an excellent price. But let's get to what matters: profits. A 250-gram jar costs you around 70 cents to 90 cents in ingredients. That same jar can sell for $2.50 to $4.20, depending on whether you offer it natural, with honey, or with added protein. That's a profit per jar of $1.60 to $3.30. If you sell only 20 jars a day, you're generating $32 to $66 daily. Monthly, that becomes $960 to $1,980, and that's with relatively low sales. Now imagine selling double. The investment is also very accessible, and the machine takes up very little space. These machines cost around $90 to $250 depending on model and capacity. A simple way to boost sales is offering flavors like cocoa, honey, cinnamon, or protein. They're easy to make and often sell even better. But get ready, because we're just getting started. The next machine is perfect for anyone who wants to produce something so tasty and addictive that it practically sells itself. Number 2. Personalized mug machine. This business is the perfect mix of creativity and money. Personalized mugs sell for birthdays, gifts, companies, parties, special dates, graduations, basically any event or celebration. Demand is endless, and the machine you need is small and very easy to use. The process is simple. You make the design, print it on transfer paper, place it on the mug, and the machine applies heat and pressure. And under a minute, the design is bonded, glossy, and durable. People love seeing their name, a special quote, or a custom photo, so this product often goes viral. A blank mug costs about $1 to $2, and printing materials run about 20 cents to 40 cents. Your total cost for mug is around $1.20 to $2.40. But here's the best part. A personalized mug sells for $6 to $15, leaving $4 to $10 profit each. If you sell only 10 mugs a day, you're already making $40 to $100 daily, which equals $1,200 to $3,000 a month. Investment is low. A mug sublimation press costs around $80 to $180. A great tip is offering bundles for couples, teachers, teams, or families. They sell faster and increase profit per order. And now get ready, because the machines coming next are even more powerful with products that generate money every single day. Number 3. Sneaker embroidery service. Many people feel their clothing no longer reflects their style and look for ways to stand out without spending too much. That makes this an attractive and accessible business idea. You don't need large machines or a big space, just a manageable embroidery kit, proper needles, and good quality thread. Demand appears naturally because personalization connects with people who want a unique detail, from students to adults looking for subtle but different pieces. The process lets you work calmly, control your schedule, and avoid expiring inventory, which reduces initial risk. Earnings per pair usually range between $15 and $40, depending on design, colors, and detail level. You can increase income by offering scheduled deliveries, themed packages for special dates, or partnerships with local brands that want to sell customized pieces without producing them themselves. With good photos on social media, every job becomes a showcase that attracts new clients looking for something they won't find in a traditional store. Number 4. Desserts and cups. People often want a quick treat without committing to a large dessert. Individual cups allow eye-catching layers and textures that sell themselves. You don't need expensive equipment, just sturdy cups, fresh ingredients, and good preparation habits. Individual portions help control costs and reduce waste. Earnings usually range from $1 to $4 per unit. You can sell in offices, schools, gyms, cafes, or through social media orders. Themed versions for birthdays or corporate events increase value. Changing flavors keeps customers coming back. Number 5. Complete sublimation equipment. Can you imagine earning money by customizing almost any type of product? With a sublimation machine, you can print unique designs, logos, or names on mugs, t-shirts, caps, cushions, or bags. It's a very versatile setup with impressive profitability. Complete kits usually cost between $350 and $600 and include the heat press, printer, special inks, and sublimation paper. Each customized item can sell for 3 to 10 times its production cost, especially if you work with events, companies, or corporate gifts. This business is perfect to run from home since it doesn't require much space or prior experience. You can easily expand your catalog by adapting to current trends. By promoting your products on social media, you can attract many customers without spending much on advertising. Number 6. Diamond wire mesh weaving machine. One of the safest and most consistently demanded businesses is metal fencing. This machine produces diamond-patterned wire mesh used for fences around homes, schools, sports courts, and farms. It's fully mechanical and easy to operate. Semi-automatic models cost between $800 and $1,400. Each meter of mesh can generate up to 50% net profit, especially if you buy wire in rolls and to sell finished mesh wholesale. You can also offer installation services or sell directly to contractors. It's a solid business, not dependent on trends, and can generate steady income all year, even in small workshops. Number 7. Phone case personalization machine. Imagine selling products people use every day and replace often. With this machine, you can print images, quotes, or designs on phone cases made of plastic, silicone, or synthetic leather. Investment ranges from $280 to $600, and each personalized case can generate $3 to $8 in profit. You can sell online, work by order, or partner with local brands. Fast-changing phone models actually work in your favor, creating constant opportunities to innovate. Number 8. Artisan perfume making machine. Would you like to create unique scents and sell products that evoke emotion? With this machine, you can mix essential oils, alcohol, and natural essences to produce custom fragrances. Machines cost between $250 and $500. 1 liter can make over 30 bottles, each costing about $2 to produce and selling for $10 or more. You can offer exclusive lines for weddings, companies, or personalized gifts. Number 9. Coffee printing machine. Imagine serving coffee with a customer's face or a special message printed on the phone. This innovative machine prints images or text directly on drinks using edible ink, ideal for cafes, bakeries, restaurants, or events. It costs around $600 to $900. Each print costs just cents, but can increase the price of a drink by $2 or more, generating excellent margins. It's a perfect blend of technology, creativity, and customer experience. Number 10. Packaging/sealing machine. This is one of the most versatile machines on the list. It can package food, candy, seeds, coffee, cosmetics, supplements, and so many other products. Operation is extremely simple. Set the sealing time, place the bag, press the lever, done. Airtight seal, no leaks, professional finish. Packaging 1 bag costs about 5 cents to 10 cents in materials. Packaging services are often charged at 40 cents to $1 per unit, depending on the product, and whether you include labeling. That's 30 cents to 90 cents net profit per package. If you do 80 packages a day, you're generating $24 to $72 daily, or $720 to $2,160 monthly. These machines cost around $120 to $460, depending on seal type, single, double, or vacuum. You've now seen machines that produce from home without relying on trends. Some turn waste into energy, and others transform simple materials into consistent demand goods. Now the question is simple: which one is most realistic for you today? Subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one.